Hello, interstellar everyone. Welcome to class 11 biology. In our previous video, we have been discussing about what we already know about photosynthesis. Kiranzu nyama zindu chunga la ni photosynthesis kola khari khari jang yore. Ro kiranzu photosynthesis kola khari shingyo me kola discuss che imba. Ni ngazu odina la ngazu khari la imbe. Photosynthesis chunga la chagyan khari khari tsangu gore. Chlorophyll, light, carbon dioxide and water. Dige gu gore sla imba. Ta thanda thuzu la we know a great deal about photosynthesis, if not all. Right, photosynthesis kola chazang ha gu me wi mene khala khanjam chi thanda ngazu ha gu gor chen ri ba zo ro ani thanda ba do ngazu gi ha go yo photosynthesis kola ha go yo di ngazu gi khandes ha gore how do we know what we know ro di la wa yin ba na nyama chen ri ba mang bu shu ji gi ro ni khonzu gi information mang bu shu ji durup chen khonzu gi experiment che ro khonzu gi kale gyam ni ani information ya mang bu shu durup gyap che ani photosynthesis la the vast area of knowledge ya ani accumulate che ture photosynthesis kind of information sama accumulate chinge seri ba mangbo ji che kyor de michi gi che kyo mare so the into zambala so we have to discuss about those scientists and their work which contributed to the understanding of photosynthesis which contributed to our understanding of photosynthesis right now. So thangbo di kare la wi imba na early experiments na lo thangbo di kare Joseph Priestley. So Joseph Priestley in 1770 chilchik don dunge dunju lo la ro khogi experiment chicher khogi experiment na lo la khar chere la wi imba na. So he took a bell jar, it's a glass bell jar, right, and inside the glass bell jar he lighted a candle mej par ron dinyam dola sizi julur ro ni candle par sha wi imba na is thujutis chela khajigre candle di shidu ro candle di danyam dola sizi de shidu ro diche ta dine next khar chere khogi candle di par sizi disha nyamdo la khogi mint plant shar bell jar na lola. And then he found out that a candle kept on burning. The rat also lived, right? The mouse in a rat in its easy day there, or candle de me bunny there, or the into Zambala quick conclusion cartore, right? From his experiments, quick conclusion cartore love him by na. Candle, a lighted candle, a burning candle, and a breathing animal, it damaged the air inside the bell jar. A bell jar na yo lumbu di ani candle da ani chizi di khonju gi breathing da candle bar we gengi na lo yo lumbu di thola dang du slar ko. But when a green plant like a mint plant is kept inside the bell jar, it restores whatever is removed by the lighted candle and the breathing animal. Chizi gi u ta ni lung ne ma khari theng gi ne re ro yang la gi me bar ni yang la me bar ni lung ne khari theng gi yo di su gi restore chi gi dular la wim ba na ani green plant gi restore chi gi duslar so chung so that was his conclusion from his experiment. He said plants restore to the air whatever breathing animals or the burning candle remove. Adina loko oxygen resha la marda even though oxygen la discover chingi the suresha la wim ba na Joseph Priestley redo. Joseph Priestley was the one who discovered oxygen. But in this particular experiment, he didn't say breathing animal da lighted candle gi di nalo yo oxygen di matyo re lan khoi layo marda khoi khar la re lawo imba na dingi ni gi ani lungbu thola dang dus lar da lungbu chokpa su dus ani lungbu chokpa su ge su gi changma su gi na plant gi changma su gi lar. So plants restore to the air whatever breathing animal and burning candle remove from the bell jar, okay, from the air. So the experiment di Joseph Priestley chair. So this is the first experiment, right, in our understanding of photosynthesis. So next, Jan Ingenhousz, right? Jan Ingenhousz lady in he was alive between 1730 and 1799. So ko di para dil ko experiment man ni chair. Experiment thangbo di khare lawim bana Joseph Priestley ga jirang jat. In this particular case, what he did was he kept one bell jar in sunlight and one bell jar in dark room. Bell jar dinde do ju mara set up dinde do jorwa chik khachere ko nima gilisha chik nagunal shar. And then he found out that sunlight is necessary, right? Sunlight is necessary for the plants to purify the fouled air. Lumbu thola tangyo di purify chela chishin la khar gu dulare sunlight gu dular sunlight na la mashana ya zizi de shigore yangla de shidur. And then in another experiment he showed that aquatic plants, right, aquatic plant like a hydrilla plant aquatic plant na khala ore chuna la gengi gi chishin la orda Aquatic plant, if kept in a bright sunlight, it formed small bubbles. Bubble bubbles around the green parts of the plant. Bubbles plant ki part bubbles and later on these bubbles were identified to be oxygen gas. The bubble oxygen right? And he was also able to conclude that only the green parts of the plant could produce oxygen, right? So the experimental setup the funnel jiki the nanglo hydrilla plant lu and khabulo je the nanglo ma khabulo je chudu nyam do ma lu sha bi na. So hydrilla plant ki bubble form chi yodi ki sama du sia droni kirang ki test tube dinala sa tho ro and test tube ki dikha digangla di se dinanglo la ro sa jo lungbu jo marwe di oxygen chadu it's pure oxygen, right? So the bubble dige sama ya droni dinal sa jo chora lungbu di oxygen chadu. Is it clear? So this is the experimental setup to see this plant, it produces oxygen. So also he has to keep this experimental setup in sunlight nala shagu. So conclusion this sunlight is essential for the plants to purify the foul air, right? And aquatic plants, if kept in bright sunlight, it forms bubbles, right? And that too around green parts of the plant. So Jan Ingenhousz che. The next scientist is na Julius von Sachs in 1854, right? Julius von Sachs in 1854, he showed that plants, they make glucose during photosynthesis. So plants ki glucose sugudular, and glucose is stored in the form of starch. Plant ki photosynthesis chidu sambalo glucose sugorwa ni glucose the plant ki supu nanglo la khandes nyargore. How does it store that particular glucose? It is stored in the form of starch. So it was confirmed by Julius von Sachs. And he also discovered that the green substance in the plants is located in special bodies within the plant cells. The plant ki cell nanglo la green substance green substance la chlorophyll la. So we will discuss more about chlorophyll later on. Okay, so he discovered that the green substance, he didn't call it chlorophyll, he said green substances that are found in the plant cells, they are located in special bodies. So green substance khare chlorophyll re, special body within the plant cell dikhare, it is chloroplast. So chloroplast lana khar lagyo mein ha huwa mare, chlorophyll lana khar lagyo mein ha huwa mare. But he found out that plant ki cell nanglo le green substance jo mare, green pigment jo ro di kharna lo dulare plant ki cell nanglo le special bodies na dular special body da thanda ngazu khara ha ko re chloroplast tim ba ha ko. So chlorophyll is located within the chloroplast. So that was confirmed by Julius von Sachs in 1854. So now next scientist khare ta dipe interesting yorda dikhiras nenga chimbo chadu T.W. Engelmann. So T.W. Engelmann, who was alive between 1843 and 1909, he carried out a wonderful experiment. He took two organisms, Cladophora, which is a green algae, right? Cladophora kir digima de la line dos tongudo. So this is a Cladophora. It's a filamentous green algae, right? And he took aerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria means those bacteria which needs oxygen to survive. Aerobic bacteria lana khalo ore bacteria who needs oxygen to survive, right? To respiration. Chevala oxygen gongye dire. So kuigi Cladophora ki aerobic bacteria ki de dose of the roast tongyoj mindate. Bacterial cells. And then his work with Cladophora and aerobic bacteria demonstrated the first action spectrum of photosynthesis. Cladophora ringbu joro and din nyamdolo koi khajere bacteria lushar ta chunal yorta niga. And then he took a prism and he broke down or he dispersed the white light into its 7 component colors. Right? Component color vibgyor lan hakura kiranzo violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red lan yoro. So vibgyor lan ma chadu zambala lai white light di ma prism ki through ta ma chadu zambala koi khar thong re la wi ba na most of the aerobic bacteria, they accumulated near the blue light and the red light. Aerobic bacteria sama khawala sanga gente do blue light yosa da red light yosa la pha sanga gente do tigima denma nyuma de mindo digi khari prove chi wore la wi ba na photosynthesis it occurs the best are at red and blue light. 로 옹봉보다 아니 로 마오여서 기사잘라로 아니 photosynthesis 약슈 제도도스라. So that is the first action spectrum of photosynthesis. At in which color of the light, right? Photosynthesis occurs the maximum level in red color, the blue color. So the pigment ki khejula rali. Then I told you we will discuss about pigments later on. Chlorophyll A, the B and your kunjo ki and light absorb contest chetu yu me di khejula rali or. Kyogi hara ha kor la win bana. And photosynthesis yakshu khawala chungudulare. Deda dela. Blue da red light la. Bacteria nzu dela khachini accumulate chigore. Since the bacteria requires oxygen, and oxygen kadu thungure photosynthesis china thunguro. Green plants, when it photosynthesize, it releases oxygen gas. So oxygen gas the gugu yoba sonza bacteria nzu. So bacteria nzu dela kordigor. So he proved that photosynthesis it occurs the best at blue and red light. So this is done by T.W. Engelmann. Okay, so DJ. So by mid 19th century, right? Scientists experiment. So by mid 19th century, key features of the photosynthesis were unraveled or they were known. But photosynthesis ki the main feature dige sangma ta CO2 chaya gozur khare ha korela wi bana carbon dioxide gugudus, water gugudus, and in the presence of light, right? The green plants they produce CH2O and their bracket nalugers to ati khare carbohydrate ki stirda. Carbon and water do. So carbohydrate chaswa. So carbohydrate plus oxygen. So roughly the key feature of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light, it gets converted into carbohydrate and releases oxygen. So the mid 19th century becomes how. Now carrying forward, Cornelius Van Nile ashtwa. Cornelius Van Nile lady, he worked with purple and green sulfur bacteria. So the nenga chamburda purple and green sulfur bacteria, they are a special group of bacteria. Okay, so Cornelius Van Nile lady, he was experimenting with purple and green bacteria, and he showed that photosynthesis is a light dependent reaction. Photosynthesis lady light dependent reaction, it is like a chemical reaction, right? Ani reaction dinalola khari chungora la wimbaina hydrogen from an oxidizable compound like water. Okay, so hydrogen from an oxidizable compound reduces the carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Carbon dioxide chumarwe the carbohydrate chawala kola hydrogen guwaro hydrogen the sugite gore oxidizable compound chikte or. So in this particular case, right, the oxidizable compound is mostly water. So hydrogen donate chinge the su chart wala no water chart war. So kesi water member che ya oxidizable compound water member che shimbaji imbaina. If we keep another oxidizable compound, then what will be the result? So the quick proof che chudurada. So green plants photosynthesize chidu zambala. Green plants photosynthesize chidu zambala. The oxidizable compound which donates hydrogen to carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrate is water. Water chart war. Water is the hydrogen donor. And green plants ki khari produce chigore carbohydrate nyamdola oxygen release chagiwa. But what if the hydrogen donor or the oxidizable compound is not water? Let's say it is hydrogen sulfate or H2S imbachasha. H2S imba ina. The hydrogen sulfide in hydrogen sulfate in H2S imba ina. H2S hydrogen donor the imba ina. Now what will happen? There is no oxygen produced, even though carbohydrate is produced. Carbohydrate produced chigirda, but oxygen produced chigomar. So H2S chini photosynthesis chetungi su chadu na purple the green sulfur bacteria chadu or. So green plant la injimi chikharu gore water go. But purple and green sulfur bacteria, they can photosynthesize in the presence of H2S, not H2O. H2S unity gore. Hydrogen di carbon dioxide nyamdola garni khari sugre carbohydrate sugre. Ani nyamdola khari release chigre la na sulfur ki molecule chima release chigre. Sulfate in area khari ne chima release chigre. So di indu zabala ta del nenga chimbu kina zu khari haku go gore la wi imba na ro tangazu sulfur ga special case cha do ro. In general, right, in general green plants, right, water which is the hydrogen donor, it releases oxygen, right? Releases oxygen release chigyo chomare ta ngazu photosynthesis ki byproduct oxygen de ngazu breathe in chigoro the oxygen de ngazu khane ra go la bim bana water nyamdo lo yoyo ge oxygen de ra go da seo chung so kajin carbon dioxide le oxygen do water le oxygen do so oxygen dingi ni na lo ne ngazu gi breathe in che oxygen joro I khone ra go re la bim bana we get it from oxygen of the water na lo yoyo ge oxygen atom chomare di shuma oxygen molecule chane ma thayong war during photosynthesis okay so that is the main concept over here so Cornelius Van Nile gi kharila re hydrogen from an oxidizable compound it reduces carbon dioxide to carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight right so therefore photosynthesis is a light dependent reaction in which H2O is reduced to oxygen H2O the reduced chane khar cha do re oxygen cha do or ma thyan do or any CO2 the khar cha do re khare H2O the oxidized chane oxygen ma release chi do CO2 the reduced chane khar cha do re carbohydrate cha do so that is done by Cornelius Van Nile so experiment chenge gi scientist ma bu ji ming la so dige sang ma chang zu remission ha go go da ko zu khar khar che me so after all these things right so nganzu gi overall photosynthesis ki process cho marwe the nganzu chemical reaction chig nang lo nganzu gi ten to war equation to represent the overall process of photosynthesis the kharre la wi na CO2 H2O and khare C6H12O6 lana khare this is glucose okay just remember C6H12O6 the glucose imba nganzu gi monosaccharide na jangdu zamba jaimba carbohydrate jangdu zamba la okay so C6H12O6 sugre nyamdo la water molecule theyungure and nyamdo la khar theyungure oxygen ge theyung so chemical equation ni the balance chewe by na 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll ge yorwa what happens in the green plants it produces glucose molecule one glucose molecule C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of water and 6 molecules of oxygen gas so this is so the overall correct photosynthesis process right but important thing to remember over here is that even though we have represented photosynthesis in a single reaction this is not a single step reaction this reaction this step signal tak na chawo mar but it is a representation of a multi-step process it is a representation of multi-step process thing aranzo conveniently tnyo madorwa in the single step signal chungo marda plan gi sopu nanglo la this particular reaction it occurs in multiple steps so this is about photosynthesis right photosynthesis ki knowledge thing so hande scan che me ani cheri ba khaju ki contribution yu me ti khana ngaju ki tari video din tarda okay so in the next video we will talk about chloroplast photosynthesis la di khawala chungo re la chumare ti discuss share and then we will talk about chlorophyll gonna discuss share okay so read about those things before you watch the next video okay